now she can't go back. At the mall, walking with the set.
Yo, what is good, guys? Ooh, ooh. I see you, Leah. What is up, guys? So, me and Leo have been running errands all morning long. I picked up a shift knob, and I'm gonna pick up one more thing for the S2000. So we're gonna go to the dealership right now and pick that up, and then we're gonna go home and install it real quick. And we're gonna see where this day goes because I'm not even sure. You know where this day is going?
Fuck no, everything's been last minute.
Alright guys, so we're back at Leo's. I got the S2K, and so here's the goodies I picked up. I picked up a Dimes shift knob. So here it is, it's polished. I'm gonna see if yeah, there you go. So it says Dimes right there. Looks pretty sick. They had like a raw silver one and this polished one. I went with the polished. I think it's gonna look really good. Yeah, it's gonna be a good combination right there. It's gonna go with the wheels, even though you're not gonna be able to see both of them. So yeah, it's a pretty badass shift knob. Picked it up for $65 in case you were wondering. So shout out to Nemo's Garage for that. And also got some stickers, and stickers is always good, increases horsepower. And also I picked up some wheel locks from Honda, so you know I need some extra protection now that I got real wheels. Can't be too careful out here, guys. There's a lot of thieves out there, and better safe than sorry. So I picked up some wheel locks. Yeah, so first things first, I'm gonna just put on these wheel locks. I'll show you guys once they're on, and then I'm gonna put on the shift knob. I think I'm gonna need a wrench for it. See right there, it might be like a 12 or 14 to loosen that. And yeah, so first let me start off with the wheel locks. Alright guys, so hopefully it's a 12. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 14. Boom, there you go. Hey, if anybody wants this, I'll actually pay you to take this off me. It's all scratched up. Looks like a dog chewed it up. So, I really needed a shift knob. Here goes the Dimes shift knob. Oh.
Looks good. How's it feel?
I like it, it feels solid. It's not as heavy as the OEM one, but it still feels pretty nice.
Let me see. The S2000 one? The stock one? Oh shit, this shit is fucking heavy.
Yeah, it's pretty weighted. So yeah, I think it looks pretty clean, guys. Nice and polished. Gives it a nice clean look. A lot better than that old beat up one. So I like it. I like it a lot. If I twist it a little bit more, it's kind of loose. Not really. I think it should be fine, but at least the Dimes is nice and centered. It's not off to the side.
You already put two of them on?
I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Comment down below what you guys think. Nice and simple, nothing crazy. Hey, peep the Hot Wheels though.
Wendy Williams over here.
See the Hot Wheels, guys? It's lit. Alright guys, got my wheel locks on there. Can never be too safe. So it does look a little funny because I do have black lug nuts and then the polished ones. So yeah, I'll have to fix that later, but for now it'll do. It's an extra protection. Not sure where I'm gonna put these stickers. I'll figure that out later. But I don't know. I don't even know if I want to slap them on. But I'm definitely in love with the shift knob. Looks way better than before. Alright guys, so now we're at Leo's cousin's house. We're in the Subaru. What we doing? Whose Civic we fixing?
Family members. Civic.
So we got some main relays right here. One of Leo's family says his Civic's not turning on, so I'm gonna try these main relays. See if that helps, but I got that cob access port. Sick little gauge right there.
You know what's so funny?
Oh, wow.
I got the exact same serial on my Nissan.
Oh yeah, you do, huh? Oh shit. Wait, is yours OEM or no?
No, mine's off this.
Oh shit, that's crazy. And the bolts up? Or like
I guess so.
Damn.
I mean, I got it like that.
I didn't even notice that. Momo. So Leo's cousin said he did a mod to this Subaru with the intake, and he hits boost a lot harder. So I guess we're gonna feel that right now. Hopefully he hits boost. I'm trying to feel that boost life. I'm NA. All my cars are NA. I don't know about that boost life. You know about that boost life, Leo?
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah, I like that. Not yet. Not yet. And also recently, his cousin also did this STI Brembo brake upgrade. Just look how giant those rotors are. The wheel barely clears. Just look at that. They're almost the size as the wheel. And look at the fronts. He has some 4 pistons in the front. Just look at that, guys. They're fucking huge. I hit the rev limiter.
I can't, I don't fit. I don't want to move the seat either.
Hop in, loser.
Do not disturb, do not disturb, let them park on the curb, hop on my jet for fur. Do not disturb, do not disturb, do not disturb, tip me a cup of the perk, I'll tell you get you scared.
Alright guys, me and Leo have been on the road all day. All day. But I know this video has been jumping all over the place. Now we're going to Jose's. It's already kind of dark outside. It's already like 7:20. Like we legit been on the road all day. So we're about to pull up. We're gonna see what's good with Jose and the squad. Leo's gonna pull up with the light bar on. Let's go.
I have a missing headlight.
But her that it's Mo. I didn't even notice.
It's just, it's like, I don't know, maybe seized? I don't know.
What's up?
How are you guys doing?
Just spin.
What?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Is it? How the heck?
Damn, Joseph, see, I'm working too hard. You're smart.
Ooh. Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that?
NRG, bro.
Nice, man.
Yeah, thanks.
I definitely.
White with the white wheels.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
It flows. And then I mean, I don't have gold, but still, I like gold. So.
I mean, it's close enough.
Close enough.
10.
Yeah, close enough. It'll beat that fucking thing. I mean, the wood grain's cool, but I want something different. My boy Andy is vlogging today too.
Okay, hold on. Alright guys,
Alright, so look at that, we're both vlogging. So we're gonna tell you at the same time, my subscribers and his, if you guys are gonna be at stancewars in Vegas, we're gonna be at stancewars in Vegas this weekend. It's gonna be like 4 of us, no? Me, you, Jesse, and Turo.
Turo, yeah. Marcel's a maybe.
He's still debating?
I don't know, have you talked to him?
He's like kind of for sure he doesn't want to go because he's gonna be moving.
Yeah.
So, but you guys gonna be at stancewars, you'll see me and this idiot.
Hey, what the damn, bro, that's how you feel? Yeah guys, it's gonna be super lit. Look for us at stancewars Las Vegas. I just booked the hotel today, so it's for sure we're gonna be going. We're gonna head out Saturday in the morning, so
hell yeah, we're gonna be there all day and we're gonna leave Sunday morning. So you know, stancewars during the day. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a bunch of meets at night, right?
Probably.
I'm pretty sure.
If you guys want to party with us, hit us up. We're gonna get wild. We're gonna get wild.
Leo, like Leo sang, bro.
What?
Bro, we're gonna have a good ass night, get fucked up. We're gonna get so drunk, we're gonna come back. Guys, we were so drunk, we got married. We got married in a chapel, bro.
Hey, I'm cool with that shit.
Hey,
cool with that.
I pronounced steering wheel and hub officially married. Dude, I cannot get this thing.
What, the steering wheel stuff?
Yeah, this shit's on there.
Alright guys, so friendly reminder, if you guys gonna use Loctite, don't use the red Loctite. These bolts are on there and
Hey,
they're
you know
not
what,
coming
Leo,
off.
I went with you that day to get that shit. And we got the red one.
Yeah, use
We got the red one.
do not use the red Loctite, guys.
Did we?
Huh? We did.
I remember
Alright guys,
squeaky clean.
I'm gonna thug this shit out. Since Leo lives relatively close, that's where I'm going. Yep.
Hey, you know Leo's gonna do pulls on purpose, right?
Bro, I'm gonna hit my head. I'm gonna go unconscious. Hey, you good, bro?
I'm good, dog. You good? I'm cold, bro, but I'm good.
It's gonna be a bump right here. It's gonna be a bump. You ready? You ready?
Oh, shit.
You ready?
Oh, shit. Oh, my ass. Oh, shit. Oh, how much you want to bet this?
Bro.
Watch.
Oh.
I knew he was gonna do that shit.
Dude, fucking Leo.
What a dick.
Whose man's is this? Whose man's?
God damn, bro. So fucking bright.
You know this guy?
I can't see shit.
Who turned on the sun? Alright guys, so we had to run to Leo's real quick because the wheel's literally stuck on the hub and Leo happened to have a spare Toyota hub. Go figure. But hey, we're gonna fuck Jose right now. And we're gonna tell him the hub doesn't fit. Alright bro, that shit doesn't fit. And my boy is hella excited to draw on the steering wheel, so we're gonna fuck with him right now. Jose, I have bad news. Me and Leo tested it right now and it doesn't fit.
No.
Yeah, it doesn't fit.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Watch, try it. I'm sorry, bro. Sorry.
Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys.
Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. The video was all over the place. Hope you guys still enjoyed though. I do have a shirt on, Marcel. Damn it. Why you gotta do me? Oh. Hey Marcel. Yeah, you wanna say something before the video ends?
Yeah, I'm getting the light real fast.
Okay, cool.
Something inspirational.
How we ending off this video?
I was Jason. You was waiting.